Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we'll explore their features, capacities, and prices to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a small apartment or just need a convenient washing solution, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers a larger 1.7 cubic feet capacity, allowing you to wash up to 11 pounds of laundry at once. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller loads. If you frequently wash larger items or multiple garments, the BLACK+DECKER may be the better choice for you. In terms of features, the BLACK+DECKER model stands out with its 6 wash cycles, including options for normal, heavy, delicate, and quick washes. It also includes advanced features like a delay start, auto unbalance detection, and a child lock for added safety. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has 3 timer settings of 3, 5, and 10 minutes, making it simpler but less versatile. If you value a range of washing options, the BLACK+DECKER is the superior choice. Price is another significant factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is priced at $309, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. In contrast, the portable washing machine is much more affordable at just $59. If you're on a tight budget or only need to wash small loads, the portable washing machine offers excellent value for money. In conclusion, choosing between the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the portable washing machine depends on your specific needs. If you require a larger capacity and more features, the BLACK+DECKER is a great investment. However, if portability and affordability are your top priorities, the portable washing machine is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.